Forget the trouble of script camera shooting and recording. Many contents can be made only in free time, or you can say by lying down, without showing your face. And the search volume of these contents is not in thousands, but in lakhs, and the income is also enough. So today I have appeared among you with some such content. Let's start. The first content idea is ASMR. Its full form is Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response. The function of this content is to sit. Yes, you heard right. Sitting and maybe sleeping also. Just a fun little bit. These videos are becoming increasingly popular on YouTube. These videos feature soothing sounds and visuals that can help viewers relax and fall asleep. You can create ASMR videos without showing your face. Educational channels are always in demand on YouTube. You can create educational content on a wide range of topics, such as science, history, or language learning, without showing your face. You can use animations or text overlays to illustrate your points. Moreover, this content of mine is also an educational category video. You can make such videos if you want, and if there is any problem getting stock footage, videos, and overlays, then wait for my new YouTuber series. It will be discussed in detail there. If you are lazy like me and love to play games, then you can create gameplay videos without showing your face. You can record your screen and add voiceovers to explain what you're doing and offer tips and tricks. And in this category, you will find different gaming content, which has different needs and search volumes. I have nothing special to say about travel vlogs. Just go to the search engine and enter this keyword, and you can see its popularity. You can record a full vlog video only with a smart plan to record your whole day's journey. And if such a channel grows once, then not thousands but millions of views will come. Click the I button to learn how to grow your channel. If you like to cook like me, then this category is plus point for you, because here you have an unfair advantage. Recipe videos are always popular on YouTube. You can create recipe videos without showing your face by focusing the camera on the ingredients and the cooking process. So this was like today. I have tried to show you how you can create your channels without showing your face and without any trouble, and it is also possible to earn a good amount of income from these channels. Hit the like button and comment on which channel you want to create, so that I can give you suggestions. See you in the next episode. Make sure to subscribe to the channel to stay connected with me. Goodbye!